When your designs are chosen, it's always an honor to be able to reflect some of your designs and the gift that you've been given. Yeah, a lot of my artwork has to do with the creation story of our nation, and usually reflects a lot about the environment and the ecosystem and habitat. Yeah, of course you have the killer whale, which is, part of our origin story. The story was that the whales were swimming around in a circle and they kept on going faster and faster. And during their process of going towards shore, they began changing and transforming, and by the time they got to shore, they turned into wolves. And the different color wolves went in different directions on the land and created villages all around the West Coast. And the eagle, of course, is one that delivers that story to us. Just about every gathering that we have, an eagle always appears overhead. And it's like a blessing to our community that the things that we're doing is right. In old times with our ancestors, that was a common practice when you visited somebody's land. And you weren't there to exploit the land, but you're there as a visitor. Not only appreciation of the land, but appreciation of what lives on that land. I was given a lot of opportunities, not only as an artist, but to challenge myself to be able to teach art at the Greater Victoria School District. And that helped with my growth as far as designing. So teaching always helps you to challenge yourself daily, helping students learn. Also as a form of creating awareness between First Nation people and non-First Nation people in the school district. Yeah, I think the education communities are always reaching out, to our community, and for us to create awareness and create understanding by acknowledging the land that we live on. So the acknowledgement of that has been done, but usually it's just in words, and it has to be taken farther than that. But they need to show bravery in the fact that they commit themselves to understanding. I've never been sort of like an ego-based person. I create things and don't really expect them to be displayed. And I appreciate the recognition. And that's about it. I think it's a good thing. With my artwork, I would hope that younger artists are inspired to keep on doing what they're doing. As an artist and a teacher, I never was there to teach people to carve and design the way I do, because every artist has to produce their own style. UVic is on our traditional lands, and they need to put that up in lights to show confidence that they're recognizing and acknowledging and respecting the lands of the ʷəŋən people.